All right, so my daughter sent me this picture and said, "Dad, I need help." I said, "All right, well, bring it here and we'll take a look at it." So I get home today and there is a lone tire at my house. I don't know how or why, but anyhow, we're going to repair it. Ooh-wee! So to fix it, I'm going to use some of these plugs, some rubber glue, and then this thing, and that thing. Jabby, 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 jabby. First thing you want to do is turn the tire around till you find your debris. Oh, that's a good 16 penny nail. After you remove the foreign object from the tire, you want to jab the rasp in there and work it up and down and kind of rough up the tire and widen the hole so the plug will fit. You take a plug and you just thread it through about halfway. Take a little bit of rubber glue. You want to push the plug in about as far as you can get it. Then use a razor blade or a knife and trim off the excess. Not pretty, but I think it'll hold. Spray a little bit of soap and water on it to see if it leaks. If you have a leak and have soapy water, it does that. Fill the tire to pressure and you're done. You don't have to take the tire off the vehicle, but I like to. It's easier to work with. Anyhow, I keep the weight off the car for 24 hours, an hour at the minimum. I've even put the plug in, filled it up with air, and drove on my way. But I prefer to let it sit at least an hour overnight if you can. And then you've never had a problem yet. All right, so that's how you fix a tire. There's probably 101 videos on how to do it. This is how I've done it. I've done it more times than I could care to remember. But yeah, I got some time to kill. Check out this video. It's my favorite. That one's another good one. Check out my podcast, 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast. I'll put a card thingy up here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.